In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Slack channel name. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to consider before you rename, and how to make your new name clear and useful for your team. First, open Slack on your desktop or in a browser and go to the channel you want to rename. Make sure you're on the channel's main conversation view so you can see the header at the top. If you're not sure you have permission to rename channels in your workspace, that's okay. We'll try the steps, and if you don't see the option, you can ask a workspace admin to help. Next, click the title of the channel at the top of the screen. This is the name you see in the header, just above the message area. Clicking it opens the Channel Details panel, which is where Slack keeps the key settings and information for that channel. In the channel details, look for the option to edit the name and click Edit. If you don't see an edit button next to the name, it usually means your role in the workspace doesn't allow renaming for that channel, or the channel is restricted. In that case, you can still note the name you'd like to use and share it with an admin for approval. Now, type the new channel name based on the topic. Keep it short, descriptive, and consistent with your team's naming style. Many teams use lowercase words separated by hyphens, like marketing announcements or support escalations, to make names readable and easy to search. Avoid special characters and keep it focused on what the channel is for, not who's currently using it, so you won't have to rename it again when people or projects change. If your team uses prefixes like team, proj, or help, stick with those for clarity. When you're happy with the new name, click Save Changes. Slack will immediately update the name in the sidebar and in the channel header. Members will see the new name, and your channel history, pins, files, and app connections remain exactly the same. Mentions and bookmarks continue to work because Slack keeps the underlying channel link intact. If the rename is significant, consider dropping a quick message in the channel to explain the new name and purpose, so everyone stays aligned. That's it. You open the channel, click the title to get to details, selected Edit, entered a clear, topic-based name, and saved your changes. Renaming channels thoughtfully helps your workspace stay organized and makes it easier for teammates to find the right place to communicate.